What's up, guys? It's Vincent, and I have a trade recap for you all on ticker symbol IWM, the Russell 2000. This is a day trade that I taken last Friday. I alerted next week calls, and I was able to get a 30% return very quickly. I just want to explain the importance of old prior all-time high resistance turning into new support, and this is exactly what IWM was. It was textbook. So if we go ahead and look, IWM, its prior all-time high is 258.20. Okay, this is a very key level that I had. If you look here in December, this is where we rejected, in which IWM on the daily chart sold off that 258.20 all-time high. We consolidated for a little bit, but once we reclaim that all-time high with volume, okay, and in January, the seasonal effect of small caps being strong, we had pushed $14 to the upside up into the 270s. Now, all the people that didn't get in the first time, okay, this dip buy was a perfect opportunity to try and get long, to try and catch, some of that IWM upside move. Now, if we go over here, 258.20, okay, this is a key level. So I got long 258.20 Friday afternoon with next week contracts with size because I knew my risk was very minimal. I'm only risking about 50 to 75 cents, but my upside, $2, $5, okay, way higher to the upside. So this, if we look here, this is about where I got long, 258.20. I had my price alert. Once we reclaim that price with volume, if we look at the 5-minute chart, the volume increases. IWM in about 30 minutes to an hour popped $2. The contracts went 30% on next week contracts, and I was able to get an awesome return, 30% day trade scalp. I really don't day trade much, but when I do, it has to come to a key level, and these old all-time high supports or old all-time high resistances, ideally that once they become new supports, you're going to see a lot of activity in that area in which we got just that on IWM. So if you enjoyed this trade recap, just drop me a like, drop me a follow, turn on my notifications. I alerted that trade TLAM91's Discord, so feel free to join his Discord too if you want to see some of my trades alongside some other amazing traders. Feel free to check it out. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.